morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's New Year's Eve day. Yes, 2024 is coming to a close. Last night, I prepared delicioso quesadillas. Yum! I haven't had a quesadilla in a very long time. And I'm glad I made my own and used my own recipe. Very, very good. Check out the pictures. I will get the ingredient list up this morning for you so you can see what I did and how can you modify it. Tonight, I'm doing something a little special for myself for New Year's Eve. I'm doing a baked salmon with a creamy lemon garlic sauce. And I'm doing a rice pilaf, but I'm doing cheater. In other words, it's a box. And to top that off, honey glazed carrots. Let's take a look. Got some hardware. A couple saucepans, a baking dish for the salmon. And talking about salmon, here's the salmon I'm going to be using today. This was in the freezer for several months. I want to get it used up. Marinade is garlic, lemon juice, and some olive oil. And then the sauce is lemon juice. I'm using Sierra Nevada Porter mustard. There's some unsalted butter, heavy cream, salt, pepper, and flat leaf parsley. Look at the leaves in this parsley. I saw this at the store the other day. I'm like, oh my God, these things are huge. I haven't seen that big of a leaf in a long time. I'm using the rice-a-roni, rice pilaf. Can't go wrong with rice-a-roni products. I really like them. I grew up on it, or the typical rice-a-roni. And the carrots, it's very basic and simple. Frozen carrots, honey, brown sugar, and butter. So there's the ingredients for today. I'm going to make some magic happen tonight, and I'm going to eat good. Big news in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Excuse me. I have a new wok coming today. Yes. It's time to retire the old one. She's starting to rust. It was originally a non-stick wok. Robert and I talked about it the other day. We've had this wok for nearly probably 22, 23 years. Wow, the meals that wok has seen, it's been my go-to. As you know, I love wok work. The current model is a flat bottom. The new one is a round bottom, a traditional round bottom wok. I'm really looking forward to it. It's got some goodies coming with it too. So I'm looking forward to that to the delivery guy coming. Come on. So, what are you doing for New Year's Eve? Whether I'm asking about food or just what are you going to do? Are you going to go out and party with friends and family? Or are you going to stay home and enjoy the couch and fall asleep before midnight? So, on this New Year's Eve, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.